Welcome to Wings of Fire Dreams. Today we are going to see the most expected questions from the topic Gupta Empire. First question: Great works in Sanskrit were produced during which period? Gupta Empire. Second question: Feudalism as an institution began to take root during which period? Gupta's period. Third question: Fahim gives us the literary sources of Gupta Empire. He was from China. Fourth question: Works of Kalidasa tells us about Gupta Empire. Fifth question: Devi Chandraguptam and Mudraksham were written by Vishakadatta. Sixth question: Nitisara, a work on polity addressed to the Gupta king, was written by Kamandaka. Seventh question: Meheruli, iron pillar inscription, describes us about achievements of Chandragupta I. Eighth question: Allahabad pillar inscription describes about Samudragupta's personality and achievements in 33 lines composed by Harisena. Ninth question: Allahabad pillar inscription describing Samudragupta's personality was engraved in Sanskrit in Nagari script. 10th question: Chandragupta I, who was the third ruler of the Gupta dynasty, was married to Kumaradevi, a Lichavi prince. 11th question: Lichavi was a territory lay between the Ganges and the Nepal Terai. 12th question: According to Allahabad pillar inscription, the illustrious son of Chandragupta I was Samudragupta. 13th question: The first ruler of the Gupta Empire was Sri Gupta. 14th one: Sri Gupta was succeeded by his son Gadotkacha. 15th question: Gadotkacha was succeeded by his son Chandragupta I. 16th question: Chandragupta I ruled during the period 319 to 335 CE. 17th question: Who is considered to be the first great king of the Gupta Empire? Chandragupta I. 18th question: Who held the title of Maharaja the Raja, great king over other kings? Chandragupta I. 19th question: Chandragupta I appointed his son Samudragupta to succeed him in 335 CE. 20th question: As Samudragupta was having direct control confined to the Ganges Valley, who remained unconquered in western India? Sankas. 21. Samudragupta's campaign broke the power of the tribal republics in those regions that led to repeated invasions from the Huns. 22nd question: Who sent presents and requested permission from Samudragupta to build a Buddhist monastery at Gaya? Sri Lankan ruler Meghavarman. 23. Who performed the horse sacrifice ritual to proclaim in his military conquest? Samudragupta. 24. Who was the famous poet during Samudragupta period? Harisena. 25. Samudragupta is an ardent follower of Vaishnavism. 26th question: Samudragupta patronized the great Buddhist scholar Vasubandhu. 27. As a lover of poetry and music, Samudragupta was given the title as Kaviraja. 28. Samudragupta coins bear the insignia of himself playing the veena. 29. Samudragupta II is the son of Samudragupta. 30. Chandragupta II ruled from 40 years, from 375 to 415 CE. 31. Chandragupta II is the brother of Ramagupta. 32. Chandragupta II is also known as Vikramaditya. 33. What was the capital of Chandragupta II? Pataliputra. 34. Chandragupta II extended the limits of Gupta Empire by conquest and matrimonial alliances. 34. Who is the daughter of Chandragupta II? Prabhavati. 36. Chandragupta II married off his daughter Prabhavati to Vakataka princess who ruled the strategic lands of Deccan. 37. Chandragupta II is also known as Sakari. 38. Sanskrit poet Kalidasa was one of the Navaratnas of Chandragupta II. 39. Sanskrit scholar Harisena was also the Navaratnas of Chandragupta II. 40. Lexicographer Amarasingha was one of the Navaratnas of Chandragupta II. 41. The physician Dhanvantri was one of the Navaratnas of Chandragupta II. 42. Chandragupta II was the first Gupta ruler to issue which coins? Silver coins. 43. Chandragupta II was succeeded by his son Kumaragupta I. 45. Nalanda University was founded by Kumaragupta I. 46. Kumaragupta I was also called as Sakradatya. 47. The last great king of the Gupta dynasty was Skandagupta. 48. Skandagupta was the son of Kumaragupta I. 49. The Gupta Empire declined after the death of Skandagupta in 461 CE. 50 question. The last recognized king of the Gupta line was Vishnugupta. 51. In which inscription Samudragupta is compared to Purusha, supreme being? Allahabad inscription. 52. The term Kumaramatya occurs in how many Vaishali seals, that is medals? 6. 53. Kumaramatyas were attached to the king, crown prince, revenue department or a province. 54. One of the Vaishali seals refers to a Kumaramatya who seems to have been in charge of the maintenance of the scared coronation tank of Lichavis. 55. Who was the composer of the Allahabad Prahasti, inscription of price? Harisena. 56. The Allahabad Prahasti refers to an assembly or council, pre-assembly of ministers, which was known as Sabha. 57. High-ranking officials were called Dandanayakas. 58. High-ranking judicial or military officers were called Mahadandanayakas. 59. The Allahabad Prahasti refers to how many Mahadandanayakas? 3. 60. The Gupta Empire was divided into provinces known as Deshas or Bhuktis. 61. Provinces were administered by governors who were usually designated as Uparikas. 62. The Uparika was directly appointed by the Gupta king. 63. Uparika carried on the administration with the enjoyment of the rule consisting of elephants, horses and soldiers, indicating his control over military machinery. 64. The fact that the Uparika had the title Maharaja in how many Damodar plates indicates his high status and rank in the administrative hierarchy. 3. 65. The Iran pillar contains inscription of Buddhagupta. 66. Buddhagupta refers to Maharaja Surashim Michandra as Lokpala. 67. Lokpala refers to provincial governor. 68. The provinces of the Gupta Empire were divided into districts known as Vishayas. 69. Vishayas were controlled by officers known as Vishayapatis. 70. The Vishayapatis seems to have been generally appointed by the provincial governor. 71. The administrative units below the district level included clusters of settlements known variously as Vidhi, Bhumi, Pataka and Peta. 72. At the village level, villages choose functionaries such as Gramika and Gramadhyaksha. 73. The Damodar copper plate of the reign of Buddhagupta mentions an Ashtakula Adhikarana headed by Mahatara. 74. Does the standard term Senapati occur in Gupta inscriptions? No. 75. A Vaishali seal means the Ranabankara Adhikarana, which is the office of military storehouse. 76. Another Vaishali seal mentions the Adhikarana of the Dandapashika, which refers to district level police office. 77. The term Mahapriyatriya refers to chief of the palace guards. 78. The term Kadyatapakita refers to superintendent of the royal kitchen. 79. The system of espionage included spies known as Dutakas. 80. The Ayuktakas were another cadre of high-ranking officers. 81. Nitisara emphasizes the importance of royal treasury and sources of revenue. 82. The Akshapataladikara was the keeper of royal records. 83. Gupta inscription mentioned the terms Iranyavesti means as forced labor. 84. Endowment of land under a trustship is known as Nividharma. 85. What is Nividharma Akshayana? A perpetual endowment. The recipient could make use of income derived from it. 86. Income from land could be enjoyed, but the recipient is not permitted to gift it to anyone. The recipient has no administrative rights either. What type of land tenure is this? Apradha Dharma. 87. Right of ownership acquired by a person making barren land cultivable for the first time. This land was free from any renting liability. What type of land tenure is this? Bhumi Chadaranya. 88. During Gupta period, the cultivable land is known as Kshetra. 89. During Gupta period, the wasteland is known as Khila. 90. During Gupta period, the jungle or wasteland is known as Aprahata. 91. During Gupta period of the habitable land is known as Basti. 92. During Gupta period, the pastoral land is known as Gapata Saraha. 93. Varaha Mihira gives elaborate advice on the plantation of fruit trees. 94. Which inscription indicates that the king was the sole proprietor of the land? Paharpur copper plate. 95. As stated in Paharpur plates, an officer called Ushtapala maintained records of all land transaction in the district. 96. Agrahara grants was given to Brahmins. 97. What type of land grant is given in favor of a Brahmin as well as gifts to merchants for the repair and worship of temples? Devagrahara grants. 98. Secular grants were made to feudatories of Guptas. 99. The most famous lake in Gupta period was Sudarshana Lake at the foothills of Girnar Hills in Gujarat. 100. King's customary share of the production, normally amounting to 1/6 of the production paid by cultivators, is known as Baga. 101. Periodic supply of fruits, firewoods, flowers, etc., which the village had to provide the king, is known as Boga. 102. A periodic tax levied on the villages, Khara. 103. A voluntary offering by the people to the king, but later become compulsory, is Bali. 104. Either a sort of police tax for the maintenance of police station or a water tax is known as Udayanga. 105. Tax payable of gold coins is known as Hiranya. 106. A plug tax paid by every cultivator owing a plug, Halivakara. 107. A royal share of merchandise brought into a town or harbour by merchants, hence it can be equated with customs and tolls. This type of tax is known as Sulka. 108. Klipta and Upaklipta related to sale and purchase of lands. 109. The most important and visible evidence of the high stage of development in metallurgy is Meheruli iron pillar of King Chandra. 110. Two distinctive types of traders called Shreshti and Satabagara existed. The traders, who was usually settled at a particular place and enjoyed an eminent position by virtue of his wealth and influence in the commercial life and administration of the place, are called as Shreshti. 111. Caravan traders who carried his trades to different places for profitable sale are called Satavaha. 112. What is a society or organization of people with common interest or an association of merchants? Guild. 113. Which are the Smritis describes the organization and activities of guilds? Narada and Brahaspati Smritis. 114. Usuri was in practice during Gupta period. 115. Fahin refers to which city as important center of trade on eastern coasts? Tamaralipatti in Bengal. 116. Fahin describes that the goods traded from India to China were rare gems, pearls, fine textiles and aromatics. 117. Indians brought silk and other articles from China. 118. The most notable groups of the Rock-cut caves are found at Ajanta and Ellora and Bag Udaygiri caves. 119. Flat-roofed square temple with a vimana is the characteristic feature of Dravida style. 120. Square temple with a curvilinear tower shikara above is the characteristic feature of Nagara style. 121. A good specimen of stone sculpture is the well-known erect Buddha from Sarnath. 122. Of the Puranic images, perhaps the most impressive is the great boar at the entrance of Udaygiri cave. 123. The mural paintings of Gupta period are found at Ajanta, Bagh, Badamini and other places. 124. The art of Ajanta and Bagh shows Madhyadesa school of painting at its best. 125. The most distinctive class of pottery of Gupta period is redware. 126. What is the official language of Guptas? Sanskrit. 127. What are the religious texts covering a wide range of subjects such as ethics, politics, culture and art? Smritis. 128. Amarakosa, a thesaurus in Sanskrit, is written by Amarasimha. 129. A Buddhist scholar from Bengal composed a book on grammar named Chandravakaranam. 130. The Mahabharata and Ramayana also got their final touches and received their present shape during Gupta period. 131. The earliest Buddhist works were written in Pali language. 132. Aryadeva and Arya Asanga of the Gupta period are the most notable writers. 133. The first regular Buddhist work on logic was written by Vasubandhu. 134. Disciple of Vasubandhu is Dignaga. 135. The Jaina canonical literature at first took shape in Parakrit dialects. 136. Who produced a Jaina version of Ramayana? Vimala. 137. Who laid the foundation of logic among the Jainas? Siddhasena Divakara. 138. Samudragupta himself had established his fame as Kaviraja. 139. Kalidasa's famous dramas are Sakuntalam, Malaviginda Mitram and Vikramavusharyam. 140. The literary works of Sudhakara are Michakatika. 141. Nalanda is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. State true or false? True. 142. Nalanda was ransacked and destroyed by an army of Mamluk dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate under Bakhtiar Khalji. 143. Aryabhatta belongs to Gupta period. 144. Who was the first astronomer to discover that the earth rotates on its own axis? Aryabhatta. 145. Brihat Samhita book is an encyclopedia of astronomy, physical geography, botany and natural history. It is written by Varamihara. 146. Brahmagupta is an author of important works on mathematics and astronomy, namely Brahmasputta Siddhanta and Gandhakhadyaka. 147. Hastayurveda or the veterinary science attests to advances made in medical sciences during Gupta period. This was authored by Palakapya. 148. The last recognized king of the Gupta line was Vishnugupta, who reigned from 540 to 550 CE. 149. During Skandagupta's reign, the grandson of Chandragupta II, who invaded northwest India, Huns. 150. What was the characteristic of medieval society in India? Feudalism. If you like our videos, please press the like icon, share it to your friends, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.